Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and sell stuff on eBay. So once you basically sign up, you can do this with Google as well. You come here, at the top left, you'll see your name. Okay, hover over there, click on account settings. What I need you to do is make sure you verify your email and phone number. Okay, so you're in the account section, click on personal information. You cannot sell on eBay before you verify these two. Okay, your email and phone number. If you've not verified it, there'll be an option right here to send a verification code. Now we have that out of the way. You just come here and click on sell. Okay, here at the top right, you'll see this option, sell. Now here we'll list an item, okay, on eBay. So first, we tell eBay what we are selling. You want to include keywords people actually are searching for, something you would also search for, okay? And a good way to do that is to actually go ahead on eBay, search up that similar item, and see what people have titled it as, okay? So in this case, I'll be selling a PlayStation 5, slim console, a limited edition, okay? And then come here and click on a search. Now, it is going to find matches for us. As you can see, related listings from other sellers, right? So we can go ahead and use these matches to help with our listing. Okay, and if you want, you can also go ahead and continue without a match, but it would be ideal to go ahead and use these matches, so it might be easier for you to sell. But let's say you did not have any matches, you just click on continue without a match. Now you select the condition of the item. So this one is new, brand new, continue to listing. Okay, now on this page, we'll wait for this to load up. So this is the title, right? They give you 80 characters. We have used all of this. We have filled it with keywords. Now, condition, a new brand, Sony, model, perfect. So it's picking things up for us. As you can see, you can go ahead and choose the color. Okay, let's say it's gray or white, whatever color it is. You can go ahead and pick that. You can choose region code type if you want. Now here, you can add up to 24 videos and also your one photo, and a 1-minute video. They give you 25 files to add, right? So I'll go ahead and add my photos, and you can also send a video as well to show that the item is in working condition, especially if it's electronics. But in this case, it is brand new, so we cannot exactly take a video of that because it is still sealed in the box. I'll go ahead and drag and drop the files right here. So here we go. You want to add as many images as possible from as many angles as possible. Now this will be the main image. Okay, well, let's just wait for this to upload. I'll show you what you need to do. So let's scroll down for now. Here you can write a description, or you can use their AI description feature. So if I just click on this, it'll write a nice description for us. Here we go. Looks nice. Perfect. Okay. Pricing. This is the recommended pricing, right? You want to keep it competitive to maximize your chance of selling, right? You can go ahead and do that. You can go ahead and change it as well. So here, the images I've uploaded, and you can select the cover image. You can go ahead and drag it right here. Maybe you want this to be the image. And if you want, I can click on this. And if I click on this, guys, it will make the background white. Okay, you can go ahead and do that if you want, but I'll go ahead and stick with this. You can edit the images here with their inbuilt editor. Now for pricing, I can come here and click on change as well. Can add a buy it now price. You can also go ahead and, see what it would cost for people for shipping. There's also more options. So this shows you the median price people are being able to sell this at. You can allow offers where this, the minimum price you'll actually consider, maybe you'll be willing to take $600. You can go ahead and do that as well. You can also start a scheduled listing time. You can add a quantity, right? If you have more than one unit, you can go ahead and sell. You can also promote your listing to help it stand out and sell more. You can, it will come up as sponsored, right? You stand a higher chance of selling. You should do that with more niche items. It is ideal for that. You can even come here and donate a portion for charity. Now, listing on eBay is actually free. Okay, they just take a percentage commission based on the sales. You can come here and preview it before you go to list. So let's look at the preview. All right, looks nice. There we go. Different images right here. This is the price or best offer, right? And then they can make an offer right here. They can also calculate shipping based on the current location and things like that. Okay, here they'll be able to see our reviews, right? So I'll go ahead and close this, and then you can just come here and click on list it right here. And of course, to be able to list on eBay, you'll have to do an identity verification, of course. And so you go ahead and upload your government issued ID, and you have to, verify your identity with your bank account as well. I can do maybe later, so we'll just save this as draft. And once you do your identity verification, just go ahead and publish this. So just resume draft. You can come here and publish it, okay? Really that easy and simple.